We're in the Twin Oaks Auditorium, which has just reopened with some beautiful new finishes, which include new seats, new sound panels, new lighting, new sound. We also have much more accessible seating. Just a gorgeous space. We had our first concert here this morning. We're in the Twin Oaks locker rooms that have been renovated. These are known as the varsity locker rooms. We have new wall finishes, partitioned restrooms and showers, new benches and lockers, just beautifully finished space. Right next to our locker rooms, we have a room that is specifically for our developmental adapted physical education. We're excited to have a new space just for that purpose. We are in this beautiful sunlit flex PE space on the south side of Hidden Oaks. This is right off of the new parking lot, just a gorgeous space. It has a poured sports floor, great surface for all kinds of activities. We're in the North Addition, the North Classroom Addition at Hidden Oaks. We're at the end of the pod, and you can look behind me and see the breakout space down the hall where there's all kinds of opportunities for small group learning and collaboration and individualized learning at the different spaces in this beautiful light-filled room.